Smoothies are not only yummy, they're also really healthy if you make them right. The catch here is that you have to get certain ingredients and certain proportions together to make them really delicious and healthy. So smoothies are a great way when you live a busy lifestyle. You can make your smoothie ahead of time, you can have it for breakfast, you can have it as an afternoon snack. The options are limitless, and I have some of my favorite smoothie recipes for you to enjoy. They're completely free. They're inside my nutrition resource library. If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Ghislaine Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness, and I help women really boost their energy and lose unwanted weight with healthy eating and simple lifestyle changes. So this nutrition resource library is a completely free portal where you can dive in and get all kinds of recipes, meal plans, downloads, guides, all kinds of good stuff. So I'm going to show you a sneak peek of what it looks like inside the Soothing Smoothie Recipes guide. So this is what it looks like inside the library itself. You can see there are tons of different downloads, guides, recipes, meal plans. One of the most popular right there is that 3-day plant-based reset. We have all kinds of things in here, but today I want to talk about the smoothie recipes. So Soothing Smoothie Recipes are actually going to get walked through for you from how to create it. So not just the recipe alone, but really teaching you what it needs to have when you're trying to create your own recipes. The thing is, if we just throw a bunch of fruit in a blender, it's actually wreaking havoc on our blood sugar levels, and it's not just good for us to have pure fruit. So there is certain things that we can really do to increase our health of that. So you can also find ways to really save time when you're prepping things. And then I have some recipes for you. So blueberry banana, vanilla peach, strawberry mango mint. I actually have some mint growing here at my house, so I'm always looking for fun ways to use mint, and smoothies are the perfect way. Raspberry pineapple, pineapple kiwi. So I actually have tons of recipes in here for you to get started with. Now, these ones are called Soothing Smoothie Recipes, and as you go in here, all you need to do is literally click on this recipe tab. You're going to see the Soothing Smoothie Recipes over here. You're going to click the download button, and that download is free for you to grab. There's also a really neat feature here that you can click and highlight it. So see, when I click that heart, it pops up here to the top. So as you go through and you find recipes and things that you like, you can save them. If you are a smoothie lover, just so you know, there is another smoothie guide here as well called Superfood Smoothies. So let's check that one out. So the superfood smoothies are 12 easy superfood smoothies. And superfoods are special foods that are very, very nutrient dense foods. These are foods that have all kinds of beneficial ingredients in them. So we're really taking it up a notch. This download's a little bit different because it is a little bit more in depth in the nutrition side of things. So this one actually walks through the actual ingredients, proteins, carbs, fat, calories. They're inside those smoothies. So we have peach pineapple green smoothie, an awesome berry smoothie, a banana raspberry, all kinds of different ones. And there's more and more pages as we scroll down. So if you are a smoothie lover like I am, then I highly recommend you go and you download some of these smoothie recipes. Now, if you're looking for ways to include them in your meals, you can also go through the meal planning section and start to include them in there as well. I hope you enjoy this. My special gift to you, go ahead, download them now, and I cannot wait to hear what you think.